CDs are back and they're louder than ever. Hello GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to for all tech updates. Once thought to be a relic of the 80s and 90s, compact discs are making a retro comeback as music lovers crave high-quality sound without the clutter of endless streaming. From nostalgic collectors to a new generation discovering physical media, CDs are proving that old-school tech still rocks. But why the revival? Unlike compressed streaming tracks, CDs deliver uncompressed digital audio. That's true CD quality sound. Fans say there's something special about holding a jeweled case, reading liner notes, and playing an entire album from start to finish rather than endlessly scrolling playlists. And with vinyl still pricey, CDs are an affordable way to enjoy a music experience without breaking the bank. Manufacturers are taking note. Brands like Denon Moran's, Cambridge Audio, and Musical Fidelity are reviving or expanding their CD player lines. From sleek microsystems to audiophile-ready units with top-notch digital to analog converters. Even portable CD players are back thanks to modern brands keeping the Discman spirit alive for those who want music on the go. For newcomers, secondhand CDs are cheaper than ever, offering a treasure trove of hidden gems and classics to build a personal collection. And if you're picky about sound, you can even pair your CD player with an external DAC or choose the ones that support SACD, CDR, CD, or 24-bit audio files. So whether you're dusting off old discs or hunting bargains, CDs prove that sometimes retro really is better. Music has never sounded this good. For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.